as you can see, civilization has just left, and it's just Crystal and I now. I don't know what to do. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I mean, our clock is stopped. We have no idea, absolutely none, what time it is. As you can see, you know, we're the only two left. We have the only car. Unfortunately, I don't know what to say. You got anything? Well, you know, we gotta stay positive. We gotta. Oh God, here we go. Oh no. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. I don't like that. I don't like how that looks. Oh no. Okay. Oh God, that was a massive dragonfly.
I think I hear the Joerrs, but
oh my God.
I think it's coming up.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, so let's preface. Let me tell you the story. Why this is a barren wasteland now. We're actually in Florida, and the Joerrs bird, he's taken over the whole world, and the world is just a wasteland now. This is what it looks like now. It's overgrown, and there's nobody left. There's nobody left. And I don't know what to do. Crystal's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I don't know what to do anymore, man. The Joerrs bird has eaten everybody, and his huge bulbous head has just gotten bigger. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Okay. I think we're gonna get out here and explore a little bit. Like I guess you can stop right here. We're gonna show them what the wasteland really looks like as we're walking. As you can see, the only car left was a PT Cruiser. We had to wire it earlier today. Oh, that sun is bright this morning. Oh my God! Oh my God! There's the Joerrs birds! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I don't think you understand. I don't think you understand. This thing. Crystal, no! Crystal, no! 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 I love you! Come on! Crystal, come on! Come on! You gotta hurry!
We can hide in the trees.
Maybe. Okay. 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 Why are you looking at me? I don't know.
I'm so scared.
Oh my God. Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God. As you can see, we ran like a half a mile. It was like a half a mile that way. Oh my God. I don't know where we are, you guys. We're in the middle of nowhere. As far as the eye can see, there isn't anybody. Obviously, they're all eaten. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Not anymore. I don't know where it went. Guys, I don't know what to do, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh,